Welcome back, graduates. So today I'm going to be introducing the point system that I mentioned early this week, I believe, or last week. So what the points are, they're credits that you can earn by doing different things, by being active on Discord, being helpful, linking your Discord username to your license key, which that'll earn you 50 points. Also in the message on Discord, you'll see how you earn points. You get them for sending messages. We do check for the character count of the messages on Discord. So if you're just spamming "Hey," it's not going to work. If you spam Discord, it's not going to work as well. Also, what'll happen is if you say you send a message that has like 100 characters or more, you'll earn like maybe 0.75 points per message instead of 0.50. If you send something with 200 characters, you'll get 2 points. It's really, well, we're going to kind of figure out how the point system should work, and we're also going to be listening to you. So your feedback and your suggestions are like God's law. So if you tell us enough of you tell us you want it to do a certain way, then we'll go and do it. We're here to make you happy and provide you with the features that you want. And also with these points, you're going to be able to redeem them eventually. We haven't quite done that yet. You're going to be able to go in and maybe get a consultation call with us, maybe get some free custom development. Maybe you racked up 1,000 points and you need another copy of Ecomify. You're going to be able to use the points to do this. Also, the points are going to be integrated in all the various tools that we've already launched and are going to launch. So not only will we charge money for certain things, for certain tools, but if you have enough points, and you purchase, say, Ecomify, or you've been in like a long-term user, you'll get access to these systems and be able to use your points as if it was like a currency. It's not money, has no monetary value, but you'll be able to use those instead of having to pay money. We understand everyone is at a different point in their life. I've been broke, I've had money, I've lost money, I've started multiple businesses, I've been there. So not everything should be a monetary transaction. In the very beginning, if you guys are trying to start your business on a budget, we're trying to create tools for you to do exactly that. So my advice to you is rack up as many points as you can. We're going to be doing like rewarding you for points for referring new members to Discord, to whatever we do, really. This point system is going to revolve around a lot of other things, but this is just the start, just to kind of introduce it. I use Discord as a way to introduce ideas, new things. And then if I see enough of you guys are using it, then I'll go and build an entire software out of it. Like earlier we launched the product spy tool. It's not robust. It has kind of the core functionality right now, but if enough of you guys start using it, then we'll go and actually build an actual tool, a bigger tool around the idea. So anyways, guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestions, if you have any ideas on how the points should actually work, if you have suggestions on where we redeem the points, how we redeem them, then yeah, that's it. So oh wait, I gotta show you how to link your license key to your Discord username. And the way you do that is you come over here, you copy your license code, we go back to Discord, and whoops, just realized. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go here and we're gonna go and you can check your points by doing that, but then what you do is you do link license, you enter your license key here, you enter the email that you use, and don't worry guys, this is all private to you, no one else can see that. As you can see right here, it'll tell you only you can see this message. Certain things obviously are sensitive, so we're not gonna just publicly display to everyone. Go here, cool, and now if I go back and I check points, we have 50 points. Look at that. Cool, right? So then, and eventually I'm also gonna kind of allow you to manage your licenses here. I do still suggest using the actual license manager that we built on our website, but this is kind of like an easy, quick kind of check, What's cool is like no one can go and just use your license code, so I'm not too worried if you accidentally post this publicly, because they can't use it. They have to know your account, they have to log in, this is secure. So yeah, that's it. And then I'm also thinking about allowing you to kind of get a download link real quick. Obviously it'll be private to you. I don't know, just trying to think of ideas. I'm trying to leverage these systems to be useful for more than just messaging each other. You know, I want to bring something into Discord. I just can't really wrap my head around it, and I need your help. So I need you. Give me some ideas, guys. We want to make this an amazing community with like full features, everything. I was even thinking like using Discord and like ChatGPT to, I don't know, analyze your website and give you a full-on report. I don't know, just trying to come up with some ideas here.